You can get paid from the comfort of your home for your knowledge. And most importantly, you don't even need to be an expert to make money online doing what I'm about to show you. But before then, my name is Collins King, and what I do on this channel is I go source out great ways on how to make money online, entrepreneurship, side hustle. I vet these updates out, I do the research, I do the heavy lifting, and I bring the end product back to my viewers so we all can make money together. Now, your only thank you gift to me is to kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this, and also give this video a thumbs up so we can push it out to as much people as possible looking for ways to make money online. Now, with all of that being said, and without wasting much time, let's head on to the screen so I can show you guys how anyone can start making money today from the comfort of their home, off their knowledge, without necessarily having to become an expert.
Okay, so the name of the platform is actually called GoStudent.org, and on GoStudent you can become a tutor and join their global tutoring community. And you can also enjoy flexible teaching hours and earn for every lesson as a part of their international tutor community. Now, you can also tutor anytime and anywhere, so it is very flexible and you can teach when and where you want and make the most of your tutoring flexibility. Now, all you need is 50 minutes per lesson, a good internet connection, a quiet environment, and a love for tutoring. So if you know you enjoy tutoring, if you know you have some sort of love for helping kids or teaching kids, this is actually a good fit for you. And all you need is 50 minutes per lesson and a great internet connection with a quiet environment. Now, you can also earn for every lesson. So they have benefits from regular tutoring income, and you can enjoy the many perks of being a tutor that's working with them. And these include their loyalty bonuses, where the more lessons you complete, the more your hourly rates will increase. And I think they also offer referral bonuses, where when you refer somebody or you refer a friend, you get a bonus for that. And also, you don't have to go like search for students. They find the right students for you. So they always like to identify the right tutor-student matches to make sure everyone enjoys the learning experience. And you can secure regular lesson booking in any of the 30 plus subjects they offer. So they're always looking to cover new subjects as well. And they also encourage long-lasting relationship, right? They encourage the development of long-lasting relationship between both students and tutors to inspire a love of learning and ensure students reach their long-term goals. You get, so how can one actually become a tutor? So you can sign up with this platform in 5 simple steps. And number 1 is sign up as a tutor. You take 5 minutes to fill in a form and confirm your personal information to begin your sign up process. And in a minute, I'm going to walk you guys through this process, right? And afterwards, you take a subject quiz. You demonstrate your expertise by completing a quiz covering the subject or subjects you like to tutor. And thirdly is the fact that you get to introduce yourself. So you'll be asked to submit an introductory video about yourself. Now, the 4th way that you can actually sign up is to attend their onboarding with their dedicated tutor team, and you complete your self-study course and learn all you need to know about tutoring with them. So once you introduce yourself, the 4th step is they're going to walk you through how the platform works. You're going to get familiarized with how the platform works, and afterwards you can now start tutoring, which is the 5th step, right? And you can see they have about 23k plus tutors. They have 5-star reviews. They have 11 million plus families supported. They have 30 plus subjects that anybody can teach. And here are some frequently asked questions, which I would suggest you go check them out yourself if you're interested in working with this platform. So they have like, what is Go Student for? Who are Go Students lesson for? Why choose online tutoring? How can I book a lesson? And stuff like that. So right now we're just going to go on to the benefits of working with this platform, so you can know what you stand to gain when you sign up for this platform. Now, the first benefit is the fact that it is actually very flexible. So you can work at your own pace, you can do your own thing, you can work on your own schedule or at your own schedule, and it has a very innovative platform as well. Now, here's how much anybody can earn working with this platform. So you can earn anywhere between 620 euros per month for just 10 lessons per week, to anywhere between 2,480 euros per month for carrying out about 40 lessons per week. So you can see how many hours are you able to tutor each week. Let's assume you decide to want to tutor for about 20 hours per week. Here's what you're going to be earning. You're going to be earning around 1,240 euros per month if you decide to want to work for 20 hours each week. And if you decide to want to work for about 30 hours each week, you're going to be earning anywhere between 1,860 euros per month. Or if you decide to want to work for 40 hours each week, you're going to be earning 2,480 euros per month. So it all boils down to you, how hard you're willing to work, and if you have the time, right? And just like I said initially, they have great bonuses that they offer. One is their loyalty bonus. The more you work, the more you earn, right? And the second one is the referral bonus, where once you refer somebody to this platform, you're going to get a bonus because that person signed up with this platform and is working with this platform. So here's how anyone can actually apply to become a tutor and start working with Go Student, or start tutoring on Go Students. So they have two steps, and the first step is the fact that you're going to have to fill out this form. So you can see here it says, please take note that we are currently focusing on English, maths, physics, and chemistry. If you do not tutor one of these subjects, you will not be able to apply. So let's assume that you tutor English, you click on English, you click on physics, if you do tutor physics and maths, right? And you can see they said highest completed level of education. Please only select the highest completed education. In order to become a tutor, you need to have completed your A-level or leaving certificate. And in this case, you can see it says apprenticeship, A-level or leaving certificate, master's degree, bachelor's degree, PhD. And I'm just going to click on A-level in this for this example. And the second step is the fact that you're just going to have to fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number. And here's the good part, this actually works in Nigeria for those of us that are in Nigeria. And then you're just going to fill in your phone number and you click on I agree with the following statement. I confirm that I am 18, at least 18 years old. I am allowed to work with a minor. I speak English at a native level, and by registering as a tutor, I accept Go Student terms and conditions. And you click on register to become a student. That's how you're going to apply. Once you apply, they're going to send you a message indicating that they've received your application, and from there you're just going to follow through with them. Okay?
So this is a great way that anybody can start making money off their knowledge, and most importantly, doing it online and from the comfort of their home. But before you engage with this platform, or before you sign up with this platform, I would suggest you do your own due diligence. And after doing your own due diligence, always remember that knowledge without hard work means nothing, and hard work without consistency means nothing. So if you decide to engage with the platform, always remember to show up daily, put in the work, and the sky will be your limit. Now we've come to the end of today's video, and if you gained any sort of value, do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this. Let me know in the comment section below what your thoughts are, and also like this video so we can push it out to as much people as possible looking for ways to make money online. Now with all of that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Be well, be safe, and I'm out.